Kanti-ke uma sibuyela odabeni lwethu lwaphambilini lihlehliselwe umsombuluko ozayo icala labathathu abasolwa ngokubulala umshayeli wemoto ethutha umphakathi ebizwa ngobuchwepheshe besimanjemanje i-e-hailing. Abasolwa bavele enkantolo yeManchester ePitoli namhlanje. Isidumbu sika-Isaac Settler oneminyaka engamashumi 22 satholwa e-Atteridgeville ePitoli kanye nemoto yakhe ngoLwesithathu olwedlule.
Abasolwa uDikeledi Mphela, Rhuitzione Machidi noMcLaren Mshwana bavele enkantolo namhlanje bebhekene necala lokubulala ngenhloso. Bobathathu abasolwa basilaxazile isicelo sebheyili bacela nosizo lwabameli bombuso.
3 accused persons appeared before the court this morning, ranging from age 30 to 25. They are facing a charge of premeditated murder and robbery with aggravating circumstances. In court, they opted to abandon their bail application, and the matter was postponed to the 23rd of February for further investigations.
Umndeni kanye nenhlangano iNigerian Union South Africa bafuna ubulungiswa. Bachaze lesigameko njengesenzo sodlame olungenangqondo.
Everybody that watched the video would agree that the sentencing needs to be severe, or the issue needs to be severe now because of the way he was tortured before he passed away.
We are quite elated and happy by the crowd we saw here today. It shows that South Africans are good people. It shows that the community does not tolerate crime. It also shows that crime has no nationality. From the Nigerian Union, we are in solidarity with the family, with the good people of South Africa. There are Nigerian students that are here. There are good people of South Africa. There are some political parties that are here to say enough is enough. This is inhuman. This is a cold-blood murder. That's how it can be described, that we want justice for Isaac.
Abashayeli be-e-hailing ebebeyingxenye yababhikishi ngaphandle enkantolo banxusa uhulumeni ukuba aqinise izinhlelo zokuphepha kwabashayeli abasebenza ngezimoto ze-e-hailing.
We are tired of this. It has been happening for so long. And you know what? The government must come down and assist us and help us, because every day we are working for our families and we are trying to make end means. But at the end of the day, we are being killed like nobody's business.
Abasolwa bagcinwe esitokisini kusaqhubeka uphenyo. Amaphoyisa sathungatha omunye umsolo wesine okholakala ukuthi uyabandakanyeka kulesigameko.